Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we will explore Advanced Micro Devices in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 20th of September, 2024, and we are here now to provide a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. As of the 19th of September, 2024, our system has classified Advanced Micro Devices as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.79. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0.5% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. This results in an average loss of 0.25% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently situated at the upper part of a very wide and falling trend in the short term. This position may present a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the top trend line at $165.56 would initially indicate a slower rate of decline, but it could also signal the first signs of a trend reversal. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 12.07% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 33.76% to a decrease of 6.65%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 23.18% over the next year, with potential returns between 5.50% and 85.93%. This translates to a price range of $164.52 to $289.95 after a year. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline, Advanced Micro Devices stock downgraded to hold accumulate. The stock price of Advanced Micro Devices decreased by approximately 0.5% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 20th of September, 2024, falling from $156.74 to $155.95. During that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 3.27%, with a low of $152.47 and a high of $157.45. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and has risen by 16.08% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is considered a positive sign, as volume typically should correlate with the stock's movement. On that day, the trading volume fell by 5 million shares, totaling 39 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $6.12 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $227.30, while the lowest was $93.12. Currently, the price stands 31.39%, or $71.35, below the 52-week high of $227.30, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. AMD has recently captured attention with a series of positive developments that could significantly influence its stock performance in both the short and long term. Following an upgrade to a buy rating, analysts highlighted AMD's strong revenue growth in its data center and client segments, despite some declines in gaming and embedded products. The company's second quarter earnings revealed an impressive 115% year-over-year growth in data center sales, propelled by its MI300 accelerator and EPYC server CPUs. This positions AMD advantageously against competitors like NVIDIA, with projections suggesting a potential profit growth rate 50% faster than NVIDIA in the coming year. Furthermore, AMD's liquidity remains strong, with $5.3 billion in cash secured through strategic acquisitions such as Silo AI, aimed at enhancing its presence in artificial intelligence. This strategic positioning bolsters AMD's competitive edge in a market where AI and data center technology are becoming increasingly critical. Investor sentiment is similarly positive, as analysts are endorsing AMD as a compelling investment opportunity compared to its peers. With the company also securing processor supply agreements for major platforms like Sony's upcoming PlayStation 6, the optimism surrounding AMD is expanding. Overall, these developments indicate that AMD is not only set for immediate gains but also positioned for sustainable growth, making it an attractive prospect for investors seeking to take advantage of the evolving tech landscape. Consequently, one could anticipate an upward movement in AMD's stock prices as market confidence solidifies around these strategic initiatives and growth forecasts. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 20th of August, 2024, it was reported that JP Morgan assigned AMD a neutral grade, accompanied by a hold recommendation. On the same day, Truist Financial also rated AMD with a hold grade and a hold action. On Monday, the 19th of August, 2024, Oppenheimer reported a perform grade for AMD, again with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, Wedbush assigned AMD an outperform grade while recommending a hold. On the same day, KeyBank rated AMD as overweight with a hold action as well. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Advanced Micro Devices stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio also as a sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as neutral. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. The Advanced Micro Devices stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. There is also a general buy signal based on the relationship between these averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support can be expected at levels of $152.42 and $145.08. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may affect short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, September 19, 2024, and so far, the stock has decreased by approximately 0.5%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased alongside the price on the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 51 days ago. The short-term moving average has a sell signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 10 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 7 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average shows a buy signal from 9 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages has a buy signal from 103 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $144.48 and $132.54. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to the next support level. In this case, Advanced Micro Devices finds support just below today's level at $144.48. If this is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $132.54 and $132.50. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is classified as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $4.98 between its high and low, which is a change of 3.27%. For the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 3.27%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's briefly review some key fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A notably high PE ratio indicates that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have elevated ratios. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 29th of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 91 cents. It's important to watch these figures as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Advanced Micro Devices is at $156.40. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Advanced Micro Devices encounters its first support level at $144.48. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Advanced Micro Devices from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of September, in the year 2024, Han Ava conducted an insider sale of 6,047 shares of RSU Award. On the same day, Han Ava made an insider purchase of 6,047 shares of common stock. Also on the 15th of September, Han Ava executed an insider sale of 2,999 shares of common stock. On the 11th of September, in the year 2024, Su Lisa T conducted an insider purchase of 80,000 shares of common stock. On that same day, Su Lisa T carried out an insider sale of 8,955 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 8.404. In total, insiders purchased 2,104,797 shares and sold 1,768,721 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $149.77, which represents a decrease of 3.96%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 10 days ago. Is Advanced Micro Devices stock a good buy? Advanced Micro Devices presents several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient to recommend it as a buying opportunity. At its current level, it should be considered a hold candidate, meaning one might either maintain their position or accumulate more shares while awaiting further developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have downgraded our assessment of this stock from a buy to a hold or accumulate candidate since our last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and market movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 23rd of September, we anticipate that Advanced Micro Devices will open lower, approximately down 66 cents, starting at $155.29. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly advise consulting a financial advisor prior to making any decisions about buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.